Tingog. Tingog wala. Oh. Live once again, there is Ascenso covered court. It's our first Mayor Samico Ascenso Barangay Cup. Game 3 for tonight between Barangay Balangasan and Barangay Banale. Welcome mga ka-Ascenso and good evening. Labi na sa mga naglantaw live via Ascenso Sports Channel ng taga Banale o taga Balangasan. Especially also magandang gabi sa lahat from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao and all over the world. Good evening mga ka-Ascenso. Bathan, binali ang katawan. Maestro JC, good evening. Basinda na po mo pa shout out diri mo dagag iske mga upcoming kapitan ha, bantay lang yun mo. Racima Franca na hinuon. Hindi mo na si Ray. RC mo na RC si Franca. Times up. Lola naman yun si Racima Franca. RC. Tara. Tara si Mafranca. Fade away. Bouncing off the rim, no good. Saison fakes, drives, attacking, off the glass, in and out. Oy, Maestro JC, Philippine Arena, Bulacan, no? Guyawara. Kilat to Bathan. To Andy, long three. Muntikan pa. Crazy mo, Franca. Ay, Renajin, tuwas tomban. Ngasa man ka, kaganina, nga wala man ka. Si Mafranca failing that layup. Andy, still shot won't go. Dito with a rebound. Aburnay to Peralta. Now to Saison. Balik kay Peralta. Three-pointer. Bang! First three-pointer of the game by Peralta of Barangay Balangasan. Bathan with the ball. Pass intercepted by Peralta. Peralta fakes the pass and lays it up for two. Renajit was tumba. Na mong lalabs dire si Patrick. Uyawa, yun na ni Patrick. Ay, simple rin. Pahilom-hilom lang ha. Kilat. No good. Titoy almost lost that ball. From the pass, galing kay Saison. Balik kay Saison sa labas. Balik kay Titoy. The big man, Titoy, one-hander, can't get it to go. Rebounded by Kilat. Kilat, all the way. And, saan to, Paul? Last shot. Good luck, Balangasan. Naara ko diriga pagwapa. Kuyawa, Russell Gonzaga. Regards daw si Alan aning nagpagwapa ni Russell Gonzaga. Nasa table si Alan nga nasa table kining barker na to karon. Shout out, man kay shout out Renajin. Man kay yung kamuan ni ka mang libre wa man lagi. Kilat, no good. Lee with a rebound. Now to Andy. Bathan. Ball stolen by si Mafranca. Now long pass para kay Saison. Ara. Well. Excuse me po. Excuse me po. Kuya Gab, kuya pa. Unsa man nga kuya? Ugma pa di ay. Okay, sige, ugma. Expect ko na ugma ha. Palma, mid-range shot is good. Naghanag komedi karong gabi oy. Ganahan kay ko karon ay. Wa ko gamahay nga ni anhi ko. Saison. To Sima Franca. Shout out RC Sima Franca from Team Teros. Ballesteros. Francis Ben, di ko alam kung sino nanalo. We'll keep you updated. Meanwhile, you can see that replay no sa ating official YouTube channel, Ascenso Sports Channel official. It will be uploaded there. Bantay bitaw. Rena Jean. Kilat. Traveling violation by Kilat. Uy, shout out George. George, napapansin si George. Shout out George. Isulti na ko George nga na kay uyab or dili? Isulti na ko nga na kay uyab or dili? Isulti na ko nga na siya uyab? Sige. Ayaw lang kay basig kuan. Sig makabalo sila. Ay lang sabak ato-ato ra gud ni. And a foul called against number 9. Number 9, Bathan.
First personal foul. First big foul.
Hi Georgie. Na kay uyab boy pagpuyo diha. Sumbong unti ka. Navarro, no good for that hook shot. Now to Andy, nagmamadali. Wow! Air walking by Andy, short lang for that layup. Sima Franca, ball stripped from his back. Now to Palwa. Balik kay Batan, stops. Fires from downtown. No good. Tapi ka ng bola sa taas. Tito wins that rebound. Ayun, another steal. Palwa jumper. Short. Air ball. Ball goes to Barangay Balangasan. And a timeout is called by Barangay Balangasan. Ayaw si Gyubo. Lagi Gyubo manggugoy. Gihahap. Sensya kayo kay madungog yun akong ubo din ako ba. Palong kong galit ang mic. Dili man ikaw. Wala na Jean, si George man. Soriano Barbecue, asa nga branch sa Soriano? Duha man na ilang branch dito sa may cathedral o katong sa may warehouse ba na dapit? May murag na sila or warehouse ba or sa bodega sa Dunkin dapit. Sima Franca. Good for that baseline jumper. 6-9 ang score, 6-9. Burger lang. Sige, bisag unsa oy, wala ko'y problema. Okay, yung ako di man ko mo demand. Okay raman ko burger kato tag 99 or minute burger or ubos sa cathedral. Okay. I think nakakita na ko nimo katong kuan, katong pa-check up mi sa akong anak diha sa Minangaon. Kita na ko nimo ba? Bathan, Palwa with a rebound. Andy fakes, drives, hesitation. Ball is lost. Now stolen by Barangay Balangasan. Ngayon para kay Titoy. Kukuha pa sana ng foul si Titoy. Bathan with the ball. To Jet Li. Balik kay Bathan. Corner pass. Palwa to Andy. 3-pointer. Bang! Andy nailing that wing 3 for Barangay Banale. Mas magulo. Unsa man day ka puro tiil kay wala naong. Calago attacking. Ball strip from his hand by Tura. Now to Andy. Isa pang tres. Short this time. Rebounded now by Calago. to Simafranca. All the way. And is fouled from that layup.
Substitution.
Ula will check in for Barangay Balangasan and Lumayag for Banale.
Foul number 9. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Laina pod anang walay naong Renajin. Oy sa ato pa, kung i-describe day ka sa Tagalog, maganda ka talaga mula paa hanggang leeg. Kaluoy. Simafranca. Yes sir.
Substitution.
Another substitution for Barangay Banale. This time by Taug. And Palwa will sit down.
Number 6, foul. We're number 5, Palwa.
9-12 ang score mga ka-Asenso. 1 minute and 23 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Andy Tutura fakes, drives, fires from the mid-range and it's good by Tura. Ini marang parintin sila ni Kuan, Bagwa, taga-Dao. Tura nga taga-Dao. Simafranca, nice feed inside. Ooh la la! What a shot from the baseline by Ula. Sa nga paa nga Bisaya o paa nga Tagalog? Andy long three, bang! Andy from way downtown for Barangay Banale. Saysay dito, grabe ka cheer. Kalago babawi. Off the mark, Tura with the rebound. Ball stolen but out of bounds.
Out of bounds. By the remaining 15 seconds.
Itong klaro na rin na dyan, paa, ano ba? Paa nga Bisaya o paa nga Tagalog? Laina po na ni Facebook Live oy nga nakuha oy. Asa na caption?
Win the first quarter. These quarters will be won by speed.
Oh, mga ka-Asenso.
Banale Fernandez.
Laina po na. Saan pag off ning kuan? Saan pag off ning caption sa Facebook Live? Facebook. Ako i-send sa GC ah. Okay. You know, shout out also to my myself. Dagan kog kapitan. Dagan kog kapitan oy. Again no, akong plataporma kung ako mo dagan kapitan. Unang-una iPhone 14 Pro Max. Para paspas ang cellphone, paspas ang communication. Ikaduha ang akong plataporma, X-Max ka motor. Para paspas gyud ang akong pag-adto sa barangay kung naay kinahanglanon og lain mga tabang. Tanang kalsada akong ipa-tiles. Ang maslide na multa. Sunod, tanang pobre, tagaan ako yuta, sinako. Para na pwede tamnan. Dagom pa lang, manghatag na akong relief goods.
Foul number 8.
Syaro, di pa takadaog na.
First personal foul. First team foul.
And we're tied at 14 as the second quarter opens. 9 minutes and 32 seconds. Kalago, second throw, still no good. Agawan ang bola sa baba. Andy wins that scuffle. Andy, nice feed para kay number 10. And it's good. By Lumayag. Supremo. Nice feed. Alaban. And yes sir. Let's go Rai Majesty by Justin Mondarte. Kitsa man ni Rai. Traveling violation.
Substitution. Number 5, Alba.
Hey, I'm back si Kapi Boy. Shout out kay Zayed Balakal. Balhin siya tigumahog ako yung mudagang kapitan. Na. Wa magay na kay. Wa magay. Mudagan ko kapitan, masanahay na kailan ako nga taga Tiguma. Kapitan naman noon, kapitan sa barko. Supremo, tuwalaban again, nabitawan. And no good. Rebounded by Tura. Tura to Kilat. Firing from downtown. No good. Rebound by Tura again. Behind the back pass para kay Palwa sa kita. Can't get it to go. Saison with the rebound. Against Lumayag. Yes, sir! What a layup by Saison. Kilat. The number 6. Wing, corner 3, no good. Rebounded by Supremo. Now to Saison. Another layup. And it's good by Saison. 4-0 run for Barangay Balangasan. Kilat to Taug. Napatigil. Ball strip and stolen. Pass break pass para kay Supremo. Now to Saison again. 6 straight points for Saison. 6-0 run for Barangay Balangasan. At napatime out dyan ang Barangay Banale with 6 minutes and 27 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Pag kini si Rena Jean, di ni motuman sa iyang saad. Di na gila ko na i-shout out yun. Kilat to Lumayag, and Lumayag with that one-hander from the baseline. 4-point lead for Barangay Balangasan. Saison to Supremo, fakes the pass, firing from 3. Yes, sir! 3-pointer by Supremo from the wing. Kilat to Tura. Balik kay Kilat. Now to Lumayag. Fakes. Kilat. Bump. Ball is lost. And stolen by number 13 of Barangay Balangasan. Now to Supremo. Good hustle defense. Supremo to Kasipong, falls away, no good. Tura na naman. Third defensive rebound. Another steal by number 13. Now to Saison. Saison to Alaban. Fakes, fires, no good. Saison with the rebound. Balik kay Alaban. Isa pa. Basket and a foul for Alaban. Shout out ko ni Ate Wayne nagluto karon. Andy Murph. Mr. Burger niya good kuya, okay ra. Basta way Burger, way shout out.
Number 21. Personal foul. Second big foul.
Alaban nailing that free throw, completing the 3-point play. Biglang 10 ang kalamangan ng Barangay Balangasan. To Andy. Aba, titira pa ata. Kilat. Good ball movement. Limas. Andy, corner 3. No good. Saison with the rebound. Passing it to Supremo. Supremo heavily guarded. All the way. Pinasa pa kay Kasipong. Ball slip and stolen. Now to Kilat. Foul called against Kasipong.
Foul number 40. Kasipong. First personal foul. First big foul. Balangasan.
Batan. Good screen by Lee. Batan to Andy from the wing. Can't get it to go. Lee wins that rebound against the taller Alaban. But shot won't go. Rebounded by Team Balangasan. Kasipong now to Saison. Iwan. Alaban. What a pass by Saison. Para kay Alaban from the baseline. Good team effort for Barangay Balangasan. Mo na mga nindot nga dula ba nga na mga play pod. Ayun, miscommunication pass for Barangay Banale. Galing kay Kilat. Ha? Shout out dahil ko na mga nagpahipi-hipi diha sa Daplin be. Shout out sa mga walay uyab diha. Sus daganjong masuya. Og na lang dere ang kamera. Ako adyo ng bidyuhan ng mga pahipi-hipi diha ba. Daganjong mga way uyab nga masuya ani. Apay pa agbay-agbay o kini mga bataan ni mura ra ba ni kabalo mo hikot og tangla di ra ba gyud. Timeout called by Barangay Balangasan as they lead by 10 points. Shout out Amnia A. Tahir. Saysay na suya kay way uyab. Picture. Wala po kayo uyab, Ray? Oh. Mangita tag laki para ni mo, Ray. Unsay imong gusto, Ray? Laki, bayi. Kana. Lami. Kana yun. Shout out boss from Barangay Banale by Carlo Navarro. Pwede stolen shot sad ko. Opo, ninikanhin mo mamruena. Picturan ka. Kana nakapusing. Ayun ang stolen. Kana nakapusing. Saison for 3. And he's fouled. Fouled by Andy. Mahal makay ni si Ray Ray. Hangak kay ni panguyaban si Ray Ray.
Verse number 5. Verse 3-5.
To ara nang gawas na gyud mga nagpahipi. Asa kani padulong. Siyempre sa gawas. Bye-bye. Tapi ka ng bola. Andy saves the ball. Shout out na siya Jazel Jane Gabuli Angus from Jair Nazara. Palwa to Kilat. Turns around. Fakes. Fires. Wow! Huling-huli si Alaban. Saison. Good ball handling skills by Saison. Di lang makalusot. Supremo. 3 seconds violation committed by Alaban of Barangay Balangasan. Shout out to my country. Oh, Khartoum, Sudan. Sudan. Okay, sa Sudan. Patulgo na ko. Abre pa ba mo diha sa Soriano? Sarado naman siguro mo kay gabi naman. Batan to Andy. Lumapit. Floater. Wow, what a nice pass para kay Beralio. But Beralio fails to connect. Kilat fakes, fires. Palwa is there. Still shot, no good. Rebounded by Kasipong. Balik kay Kasipong ang bola. Ball stripped from behind by Kilat. Out of bounds by Barangay Banale.
He shot up 15 seconds to shoot.
52 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Kasipong. Good defense by Batan as he steals the ball in the hands of Kasipong. Fast break pass para kay Andy. Yes, sir. Supremo. To Saison. 30 seconds. Pinasa pa. Nabitawan ang bola. Saison. Bad decision there for passing the ball. Actually, bakante na unta si Saison. So, supposedly he has to take that shot. But then, shout out Patrick. Unsa naman imong pangalan Patrick? Puro magag kuha na ni. Ibildi. Corner pass. Corner 3 by Andy. Ayaw pa rin pumasok. 10 seconds left. Ball stolen by Palwa. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. Kilat. Andy, kinapos sa oras. That's the end of our first half, mga ka-Asenso. Balangasan only leading by 4 points. Shout out Deco sa akong favorite wife diha. Favorite wife. Leia Frani. O sa di ay? And back to our ball game, third quarter mga ka-Asenso between Banale and Balangasan. Shout out muna kay Geraldiso Michael from Barangay Banale.
Third quarter.
Andy to Bathan. Up and under, Bathan no good. Ula with a rebound. Kaburnay, balik kay Calago sa labas. Now to Simafranca. Simafranca. No look pass para kay Calago. Block by Kilat. Shot clock violation committed by Barangay Balangasan. What a good defensive play there by Kilat as he blocks Calago from that layup. Bathan to Kilat. Penetrating. Pass intercepted. Now to Ula. Long pass para kay Simafranca. Saves the ball. Ayan. Stepping on the line.
On the line.
Six-point lead for Barangay Balangasan. Kilat to Bathan. Balik kay Kilat. Another penetration. Di makalusot. Bounce pass. Lee fakes against two defenders and his block by Ula. Pass break pass para kay Simafranca. No good. And there's a foul called. Bola. Bola. Bisaya po doy. Bola. Mapupunta sa Barangay Balangasan.
Ball number 9. Bathan. Third personal foul.
Wa na. Nanay nahubog sa daplin. Bouncing off the rim, no good. Rebounded by Andy. Andy. To Bathan for three. No good. Palwa with a rebound. Fades away. No good pa rin. Rebounded now by Titoy. Careless pass. Kaburnay wasn't able to catch that pass. Bathan with a steal. Bathan with a layup. No good. Rebounded by Kaburnay. To Ula. Balik kay Kaburnay. Good transition offense for Barangay Balangasan here. Excuse me po. Patay na ba to? RIP di ay. Andy. To Bathan. Long three. Short. And Kilat unable to save that ball. Wa na, nanay na hiluan sa daplin. Wa na yun. Nanay na hubog sa daplin. Kaburnay for three. No good. Titoy with a rebound. Fakes against three defenders. What a shot by Titoy. And Andy. And what a shot also by Andy. Binawi naman agad. Both players cannot believe na walang foul na itinawag. Shout out na sa ilang silingan na nakikmarites. Baynor Gandawali. Calago with the interception. Tuara nakamata ng hubog.
Substitution. Number 8, Dora. For number 9, Bathan.
28 to 36. 6 minutes and 11 seconds in the third quarter. Oh. Andy. Firing. No good. Palwa, what a nice rebound. But ball stolen by Titoy. Titoy, no? Kay maayog yun siyang description sa dako. Taas, ugahi. Simafranca. Lumabas pa ang layup. Minamalas ngayon si Simafranca. Andy. Air walking. Andy. Lays it up for two. Timeout called by Barangay Balangasan as the lead is cut to 6 from that layup. Galing kay Andy. We still have 5 minutes and 25 seconds remaining in the third quarter.
Is Roosevelt. Go to 30.
mediko, ospital. Corner pass. Corner 3. No good. Titoy. Naipasa pa kay Kaburnay. What a nice fake by Kaburnay. Sayang at nilang pumasok ang tira. Kilat with a crossover. Binalik pa kay Palwa. No good. Bagsak si Kilat. Long pass para kay Mafranca. Ball will remain in Barangay Balangasan. Ayun, si Kilat. I think Kilat is hurt. Jabs, ay to ng Ray Jabs. Kore binuangan na Jabs. And Kilat will sit on the bench as he committed a minor injury. Medyo mali ang pagkakabagsak ni Kilat for that play. Back to our ball game. Balangasan up by 6. Supremo looking for someone to pass. Si Mafranca fakes the corner 3. Inside feed para kay Titoy. Titoy with his strong body, wide shoulders, no? Lisod kayo siya palakon sa ilalom. Most of the time, no? Paul rin yung tama na mo palak sa iya because of his broad body, wide shoulders. Strong pa yun. Andy for 3. Way off. Titoy na naman for that rebound. Bounce pass para kay Kaburnay. Nice fake! Basket and a foul by Kaburnay. Good basketball IQ by Kaburnay, making that fake para makakuha ng foul. And now he's on the line. Take free throw. Try to complete the 3-point play. And Kaburnay nailing that free throw. 11-point lead for Barangay Balangasan. Andy. Saison with a nice defense. 7 seconds. Andy behind the back. Hesitation pass. Intercepted by Supremo. Long pass para kay Saison. Binalik pa ni Saison ang shot na yon. Evading Tura's block. Tura. Another interception. Buti na lang, nabawi nila ang bola. Tura, ball is lost from his hands. Another steal by Supremo. Saison, kukuha pasara ng foul. Saison, another layup. 4 straight points for Saison ng Barangay Balangasan. Biglang lumobot sa 15 puntos ang kalamangan ng Barangay Balangasan. Back to our ball game from that timeout. Batan, strong 3. Saison with the rebound. Fast break pass to Caburnay. Nag-iisa. Shopping si Caburnay. Bathan, Tutura.
Shot clock 10.
Inside. Sige, pilihan ni number 10, oy.
Substitution
Ayun, lumayag. Lumayag is fouled by Titoy.
for number 12, Leonardo. Number 22, Titoy. Second personal foul. First team foul. Walang masa.
Lumayag, second throw. And it's good. Kasipong will check in for Barangay Balangasan. He will replace Caburnay.
For number 90, Warner.
(32-47). 2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Si Mafranca, mid-range no good. Kasipong with a nice fake and is fouled.
Foul number 5, Palua. First personal foul. For team foul. Barangay.
And Kasipong nailing that free throw. Wa na, mingaw na itong comment section. Palwa falls away! What a shot by Palwa! Hanging in the air for that fadeaway jump shot. Nagsaoro kay takitag ng nana. Supremo no look pass to Kasipong. Balik sa labas, Saison. To Supremo, 2-second shot clock. Bang! Supremo draining that 3 points as the shot clock expires for Barangay Balangasan. Bathan to Palwa. Pull-up jumper, no good.
Out of bounds.
Out of bounds, Banale. Oy, Patrick, manihapon. Lamia, kinaon Patrick, oh. Max, ah.
Seconds to play.
Titoy. Pull-up jumper is good. Daghang salamat sa atong sponsor sa panihapon, no? Max Restaurant. Thank you very much, Max. Salamat sa lamian nga panihapon ug sa Greenwich pod. Ayun. Inabot si Bathan sa haba ng kamay ni Titoy.
Seconds to shoot.
Shout out po sa Greenwich day diha. Thank you very much sa lamian nga panihapon. Tura for 3. No good. Courtesy of our very own Mayor Samico. Thank you very much, Mayor. Saison and is fouled by
Foul
Saison.
number 5.
Foul.
Saison. First personal foul. Second team foul. Walang masa.
Andy fakes, drives, lays it up for 2 as the game clock expires
It's the third quarter.
for the third quarter,
This
36-53.
quarter still Waistino at Horny. Going Valerie Fernandez.
fourth quarter between Balangasan and Banale. Peralta looking for someone to pass. Now to Calago. Sa labas. Ball is lost from his hands by Navarro. Now to Palwa. Lays it up. Lumabas pa. Tura with the rebound and he's fouled.
Foul number 6. First personal foul. First free foul. Guadam Asa.
Wala na, nanay kahinuktok. Ana. Bandiha, busy kay kaon. Patrick, oh. Busy kay kaon. Mara yung hamster mo kaon, ay. Bang! Binawi. Binawi ni Navarro ang pagkakamali from that foul earlier by draining three-pointer. Good hustle defense by Andy. Now to Calago. Inside feed. Ooh la la! Four under the basket. Tura. To Bathan. Fakes. Drives. Penetration. And it's good. Calago against heavy traffic and Ula is fouled.
Foul number 60. Andy. Second personal foul. There's three foul. Guadalajara.
Bola sa referee. Katag bola rep. Ula, second throw. And it's good. Tura to Bathan. Another penetration. Outside pass. Almost intercepted. Andy. Hesitation. Steps back. Tura for three. No good. Hinabol ni Andy. Andy saves the ball but passing it to the opponent. Navarro behind his back. Tura, what a nice defense. Alaban. And no good for that long two. Bathan is fouled by Peralta.
Foul number 8. Peralta. There's personal foul.
Now will check in for Tura.
Big foul. Guadam Asa.
Bathan to Andy. Andy, balik kay Bathan.
Shot clock fake.
Palwa. Turnaround jumper is good by Palwa. Si Palwa ang gipangalaan sa akong mama. Kay akong mama nangala og butong puti man ko sa una, giapil po ng Palwa kaway lami. (43-59) with 6 minutes and 39 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Bathan. Palwa ulit. Missing it this time. Rebounded by Peralta. Good defense by Lee. Calago. Shot clock winding down. 8 seconds violation. What a nice defense here for Barangay Banale. Pressuring the opponent, forcing them to commit a turnover.
Shot clock 14 seconds to shoot.
Bathan. Penetration. No good for that layup. Ula with a rebound. Bounce pass para kay Navarro. All the way is good. Andy for 3. No good. Peralta with a rebound. Ayun, huling-huli ni Andy ang pasa na yun. Andy hangs in the air. Basket and a foul for Andy. Good body control there by Andy. Hanging in the air, making that layup. Basket at may kasama pang foul. Will he complete the three-point play? And Andy cannot connect for his free throw. Navarro ulit. Short. Andy. Isa pa. No good this time. Tapping ka ng bola sa taas. Alaban with the rebound. Passing into Navarro. Navarro to Ula. No good. Andy all the way from offense to defense. Taog. Bakante for 3. Short. Rebounded by Navarro. Calago to Ula. Reverse layup. And it's good. Ooh la la. Palwa is blocked. Dalawang tore ang kinakaharap ni Palwa sa ilalim ng basket. Peralta nailing that corner 3-pointer for Barangay Balangasan. 21 puntos ang kalamangan ng Barangay Balangasan. Lee basket at may kasama pang foul galing sa assist ni Andy. Timeout call, Barangay Balangasan with 4 minutes remaining in the fourth quarter. Lee air ball for that free throw. Saison, penetration. Ball stolen by Palwa. Long pass para kay Taog. Hindi na nahabol ni Taog ang bola na yon. At dumiretso si Taog sa pader. Ang tigas na mukha ni Taog. Bumangga ang mukha sa pader. Abi niya og pure plywood. Oy, naday putaw. Nanay brace nga putaw. Gahiyan nga Taog. Oy. Kasipong to alaban sa ilalim. Wala man nasulod ang Twin Tower. Si Alaban rami na. Kinsa man to Twin Tower niya. Si Alaban o si Ula. Tura. To Palwa. Grabe ang mid-range shot ni Palwa. Makahadlok ang mid-range shot ni Palwa. Ay halos di masayop. Saison to Kaburnay. Outside. Kasipong. Peralta for 3. Lee with a rebound. Now to Lumayag. Fakes the pass. Bounce pass. Palwa ulit. Bouncing off the rim. No good. Rebounded by Kaburnay. Now to Saison. Saison. Floater no good. Rebounded by Tura. Tura to Taog. Falls away. No good. Peralta with the rebound. Last 2 minutes. 49 to 68. Saison. Kaburnay. Kaburnay. Inside feed to Alaban. Short. Kasipong second chance. And it's good. Tura for 3. No good. Alaban now with the rebound. Passing into Peralta. To Saison. Ayun. Taking their time na lang. Patay oras. For Barangay Balangasan. Oh. Buzzer beater for Peralta as the shot clock expires. Tura. Malas good.
Substitution. Number 6, now bottom, for number 8, Peralta.
Lee. Final shot for Barangay Banale. Tai.
Is standing on the line.
I-shout out kay Alan, ang atong table manager. Regards daw siya sa mga single motor. And that's the end of our regulation, mga ka-Asenso. Congratulations to Barangay Balangasan for winning this ball game 51 to 73. This has been your commentator Gab. Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. See you tomorrow.
This is from Cuba, Mayor Sammy Go.